friends, it's Sarah from Our Kind of Crazy, and I've got another unboxing for you. Alright, so I'm catching up on all of my favorite bridal subscription unboxing videos, and Maeven Bridal Box is the box that I'm unboxing right now. It is, I believe, the December box, and yes, we're behind, but we're newer to YouTube, and we're just wanting to get all of these out. I have saved these to show you because I believe that Maeven Bridal Box is the best bridal box that you can get. So, here's the December box, and you can check out all the quality of the items and the type of items that you will get. So each one of these videos will kind of share with you what you can expect when you receive your subscription box. If you go ahead and go for Maeven Box, they always send an introductory box for you, and I did a video on that. You can click the link and check that one out. But it kind of kicks off all the wedding planning stuff, and here we go with the December box. So again, each box comes with a pamphlet. It tells you about this month's essentials. It tells you what's inside. And then this one has expert advice from fitness experts. They asked, what is your best advice for brides who want to get in shape for their big day? So it's a cool whole article about that from a bunch of different fitness experts. So there's that. And let's dig in. First off, we have this awesome bride-to-be sash. How perfect is this for your bachelorette party or bridal shower? I guess you could wear this, but super cute. It's like a white silk with, I think this is rose gold, lettering on it, bride-to-be. That would be perfect for the night out and bachelorette party. Ooh, next up we have this nice velvety bag, which I bet I could guess what's in here, some kind of jewelry. Let's see what we got. And we have these tubes. They're earrings. How cute! So these are like, what do they call these? Tassel earrings. There you go. They're kind of like a purplish mauve-y color. But how fun are those? Oh my gosh. Wear it with your sash. How cute. Oh, these are great. I love that. They're very festive. Very cute. Love those. And next up we have, gonna love this one. Let's see. It is a Mrs. shirt. I kind of love that because in some of these boxes you get stuff that says fiance, bride-to-be, that kind of thing. But then when you get married, it's like, I'm not those things anymore. So I love when I get things that say Mrs. because you could wear it all the time. And how perfect is this for like honeymoon? You could wear this around your honeymoon. You could wear this around the house. You could wear this basically the rest of your life because you're going to be a Mrs. So that is way cute. And again, Maeven Box does ask for your sizes, so you're not going to get a huge shirt that's you're swimming in, and you're not going to get like a really small shirt that doesn't fit at all. So there's that. Ooh. Next up are these Mr. and Mrs. chair signs. Cute. So they say Mr. and Mrs. They're wooden signs. They have the like dark edging around it, so it's finished. If you got the introductory box, you also got a Mr. and Mrs. cake topper that looks identical to this. So like I said in that video, everything kind of goes together. It's pretty awesome. So they are saying that these are for chair hangings. What do they say? Chair signs, wood chair signs. But you can use these in so many other different ways. And like I said on the intro video, you can actually spray paint these if you're not going for the wood decor. Spray paint it your wedding color, and that will work perfectly. It also comes with this tassel, not tassel, now I'm on the tassel earrings. It comes with this like twine to hold it, so you can make them your seat chair behind your chairs. You could put them in the front of your sweetheart table. There's so many different things you could do with these, so these are pretty awesome. All right, and next up we have a Patchology Flash Mask. It's 5-minute sheet masks. Hydraulic acid, vitamin B5. Those are great. Unfold the mask and apply to your clean, dry face. Feeling parched? It only takes 5 minutes to treat your skin to much needed surge of maximum moisture. So these are, well, that's cool. You're going to need this. If you remember that, okay, so you got the introductory box. They have the bridal bath. Throw the bridal bath in there. Put on your favorite songs. Maybe put on some wedding songs that you could start picking out your first dance or your the walk down the aisle. All those songs. Put on a face mask. What a relaxing night. Oh, and you can use your champagne glasses from the introductory box too. Look at that. All right, last and not least, there is a memo pad. Daily planning notepad. It says, let's do this. It has a blank space for days until our wedding. It has your schedule, the tasks, a meal plan, because a lot of brides are on meal plans right now. Water intake. You need this. Keep track of your water. Drink lots of water throughout the day. It's going to keep you hydrated, your skin nice. Do the water intake. Notes, call who you have to email. There's so many different vendors that you're trying to keep up with. Appointments, everything. This will be a great task. It just tears right off. So you can use it for each week, tear it off, each day even, I think. Yeah, I guess each day. So that's a great thing for planning too. So there you have it. This is the December box. So yeah, this is great. I mean, they have one thing that you can, in this box that you can use for your wedding, which are the chair signs. They have a Mrs. shirt. You know what? You can get ready in that. That's a perfect getting ready for your wedding kind of t-shirt. You can use it for your honeymoon and after. This bride-to-be sash, which is super cute. You could wear it to your bridal shower. You could wear it to your bachelorette party. The tassel earrings that you could wear every day if you want, or out to cool parties. And then the tracker to do stuff. So great box. If you are interested in Maeven, we're going to link our previous videos below so you can check them out. And then we'll also link their website so you can see all that they have on their site. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. We are so excited to bring you some more wedding planning content with tips, tricks, and advice. Also some more unboxing so you can see a little bit more about these Maeven boxes. Please subscribe to our channel, click the button, and let us know if you have any videos that you want us to do. Go ahead and comment below, message us. We're here for you, and we will see you next time.